Ryan Philipelli, and do you want one of these two trucks? We have a brand new 2016 Hash Truck and Dragster. Awesome truck, mint in box. This is one of the first Hash trucks ever to have LED lights, and the first truck ever to have a dragster that pops wheelies. Like, who doesn't want that? And the link's down below in the description. And we also have a brand new mint in box 1994 Hash rescue truck. So this is really cool. Has stabilizers down there, a big ladder, sirens, lights, flashers. So if you want one of these two trucks, go down below in the links in the description to the auctions. And also they are on my CRF website in the CRF shop. So you could buy which one do you want. And yeah, enjoy the video.
Christopher Ryan Philipelli. 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 I'm Christopher Ryan Philipelli.
Hey, Christopher Ryan Philipelli. And hello again, everybody. I am Christopher Ryan Philipelli, and today I'm going to be doing another electric train video. And this video is going to have 4 different camera angles, so I hope you enjoy. I need 200 subscribers to do a video on my life story, and 1,400 subscribers to do a giveaway of a hacked Prodigy account, and 1,000 subscribers to do a giveaway of a CRF custom painted 1-of-1 fan truck. We're 6 away from 200. Please like and subscribe if you are new, and enjoy the video.
Cause I don't want nobody to change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. 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 Cause I don't want nobody to change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. 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 Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle
this video, subscribe to CRF, turn on the bell for notifications, and comment down below what you thought of the video. This is the first video on my channel with 4 different camera angles, so I hope you enjoy. And be sure to subscribe, 6 more subscribers till I do a video on my life story. So please guys, like and subscribe. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.